Hi guys, let's prepare delicious Christmas sweet guava cheese. It is also called as Goan perad. Take one guava, then chop it. Here I used half guava. Steam it for 10 minutes and then blend it. After blending, strain it to separate seeds. Pour guava puree in a pan and then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir it continuously and cook it on a medium flame. Later, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, little butter, red food color and pinch of salt. Then cook it on a medium flame. Stir it continuously till it gets a thick consistency. Let it cool at room temperature. Pour this entire mixture in a container and freeze it for 2 hours and delicious guava cheese is ready. If you like this recipe, then comment below, like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes.